Hey everybody, I'm Mike Maier from Maier Incorporated, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about our MOD1 rear suspension kit for 1964 through 1973 Mustangs. What MOD1 basically means is you can put this on in your garage. It's not some sort of kit where you have to be Chip Foose or something to put this assembly together. It's mainly a bolting. You have a little bit of welding for our panel rod kit, but other than that, it's a really amazing little kit. What this group of parts is going to best work for, what person this is going to work with, is someone wanting to still keep the essence of their Mustang. They don't want to hack it up and change it, but they want the ultimate in performance within their budget. A lot of track guys use this kit, a lot of corner carver guys, you know, weekend warriors, a lot of cruisers, people just going for weekend drives with their family use this kit. Our suspensions are designed to be compliant, to ride really good, and not be really harsh. Even a really great race car should be compliant. You can't be bouncing around going into a turn at 100 miles an hour. That's not going to cut it. So what this kit includes is our leaf springs, Bilstein shocks, a bushing kit, U-bolts, leaf spring plates, panel rod kit, sway bar assembly. Each one has a reason. They weren't thrown in there just because, you know, hey, we could sell this. No, we started off with leaf springs. We found out what we really needed out of those. Then we worked on bushings for a while. Then we discovered, you know, we really should have a panel bar in this kit. We went wad slink, we went panel bar, we went both ways. We ended up with a panel bar. You can watch our panel bar video to see why. We ended up coming through multiple revisions of our leaf spring plates to get you the most out of every kit. You have tie-down eyelets, you have sway bar mounts, you've got slotted holes for different size rear end housings, you've got your shock mounts. There's a lot in this kit. If you guys want to get a great system, it can handle a ton of power, it can beat up on the majority of every one of those tubular suspension kits out there. This is the little kit that could. The MOD1 rear suspension kit for the 1964 through 1973 Mustang. Check it out on our website at MikeMaier.com. Go to our Facebook pages. You can see different photos of it and videos of it running. You can see it on YouTube. You can go all around on Instagram. We'll see you guys soon, and have a great day.